Hi dosto, once again welcome back. This video is regarding income tax again, and I have already pushed videos on how to select your tax regime, how to file ITR1. A lot of videos are pushed for incometax.gov.in latest website. This video shortly will tell you how to update your private or primary details like your contact details, primary contact, secondary contact, primary mail ID, secondary mail ID, your address of stay in India. So you have all these options. I will show you quickly how can be done, and you have also option to pick this data from your Aadhaar directly. Okay, I will show you this option. So this is the website incometax.gov.in, latest one, just launched 2-3 days back. Once you are in this portal, you have to click on the icon above. I will give this link in my video description. Okay, you can copy paste, and after that you are going to click on login button. If you are not registered, watch our previous videos to register it. The username usually will be your PAN number. Enter your PAN number or Aadhaar card, both will work. After that, click on continue button. Enable this please confirm message. After that, type in your password, continue. You are done. So you are logged in if things are success. Now again you are supposed to click on the icon on top. Okay, after clicking that icon, you get a my profile option. You are going to click on my profile. Once you click on my profile, you get your name and details. If you scroll down, you can see your profile details, and here you got an option for edit under contact. Click there. If you click there, you get like this, update details. Okay, see a mobile number you can edit. Okay, directly you can click on the text box and edit it like this, the mobile number, and that is a primary mobile number. And there is also option that primary mobile number you can fetch from directly from Aadhaar. You can see here update as per Aadhaar. This option also you can try. It will pick the detail directly from Aadhaar, and you can give secondary mobile also, as you can see here, and residential address is there, and below that email also there. You can get two options, primary email and secondary email, and this is also you can update as per Aadhaar option is there. Okay, it will pull from Aadhaar, so you can directly click there and edit your primary email like this. You don't need to do anything else. You can see here directly it's editable, and you can also select whom that email address belong to, because if you are filing for someone else, you might be using email address which is not belong to self. You can see here son, daughter, brother, so many relative, friend also option is there. So whom that email address belong to also you can select, and after that secondary email also you can give, and last one is the address option. Still address also you can click update as PAN option is there. Okay, so directly it will pull from Aadhaar database, and you are going to give your postal address, everything. Select your state, district, post office, all the details you can select. Once you click on that, you have to select it, otherwise it will give error. One more important things, let me hold this friends. If it is not working, the website is launched 2-3 days back, they are getting it stabilized. You are doing this from mobile, it may not work sometimes. I am doing from mobile. I was also facing some issues. I will give you two options if it is not working. One is keep trying. Okay, suppose the drop down menu is not coming, keep trying, it might come. Otherwise try from your computer. Okay, not from mobile. This is the hint I wanted to give you. So if you click on save, your data will be saved. You can see here the proof of save is this one, contact details updated successfully with a transaction number should come. That means your data was updated. So once you click on successfully, you get a message like this. This clearly says your data was updated. Please remember friends, again, if the drop down menu is not appearing properly, please click on click on that, refresh the screen. Okay, if still not working, do not get panic. Please try from a computer, it might work easily. Okay, but I tried from mobile. I faced some issues, but sometimes drop down was coming and sometimes it came was not coming. Thank you so much. If you like the video, kindly give us a like. Also please share and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you with another informative video.